Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at the new treasure track, which is called the Shadow Realm, so let's get into the video. So this is Halloween themed. Pumpkin Fest will be coming out on October 14th, by the way. And we can already see that it is like a little different. It looks pretty cool. So you can see that there's like this Ultra Member thing over here, just telling you you get 880 more Magicoin if you get Ultra Membership, which is $230 by the way, maybe $240. I think it's $239.50. So it's really expensive. But we're just going to go ahead and look at the rewards. I don't really think there's any benefits to having an Ultra Membership, but we're just going to go ahead and look through this to see if there are any Ultra Membership stuff. So to start off, there is the Ruined Bat and the Snake. I can't remember the name of it. I did show them all in a video yesterday that you can go look at. So there are some Titan Shards, the Halloween Cat. So I will also look at the pet gear because I think some of that could be pretty good. So Ouroboros Pendant has 48 power bonus, so it's pretty decent. We have the Shadow Sigil, which has a power bonus of 32. And we also get a free pet slot in this, which is pretty cool, but that's only for members. Another pet slot, some Titan Shards. There is also a new type of firework, by the way, right here. That kind of looks like an Order of Influenced firework. If we keep going, there's some more Titan Shards. Dark Slime with a heart bonus of 50. The Dark Moon Crescent with a power bonus of 34. We have a legendary one with a heart bonus of 95. That's pretty good, and it's called Crown of Shadows. If we keep going along, there is the Undertaker hat with a heart bonus of 53. There's also a new morph called the Cat-O-Lantern Morph Marble. Also, let me know if you have Magicoin. I was predicting that it would come out in this treasure track. I'm not 100% sure. One of the epics, or mythical epics, is Murrah Hawk. And we also get the Smelly Skunk updated in this, and it's non-member now. If we keep going along, we also have a throwable called the Ball of Goo, which I showed yesterday. We also have the Ghost Plushie, which was made non-member. We have the Haunted Painting, which you get in the Core member track. There are 3 types of memberships now, by the way. There's Ultra, Core, and Plus. I'll get in a little more to that later, but we can see there is Plushkin, or Viper Cuffs, which evolves into like Asphere, I think. We have pet gear. This is a Relic, power bonus 46. If we keep going along, we have a hat, Pipit's Cap, and it has a heart bonus of 69. We get another pet slot up here. We have Jacko Sprike, which got updated and it looks pretty cool now. We also have the Gloom Skull Pin with power bonus 65. The Chimerian Wings with a power bonus of 72. Wings from a Shadow Griffin. Hopefully we get like a Shadow Griffin or something soon. Probably not going to happen though. Scarecrow, the Puppet Master Scarecrow, was added and made non-member. And then we have Nebula, which is on the Plus membership track. The Witch's Jelly, which is on the member track, but it is kind of bad compared to the non-member mounts, which is the Jack-O-Lantern, which has a heart bonus 70, defense bonus 70, compared to the Witch's Jelly, which only has 50s. I also was looking at the quest, and it doesn't really seem like anything changed that much. I do think that this went down from 120 to 80, which will make the treasure track a little easier. Now we are going to go ahead and look at Ultra membership a little bit. I don't have membership on my account right now. I should get it back in like a few weeks. But you can see there is this new membership upgrade thing, and it says core membership, you get just currencies, buddies, and 350 Magicoin. Plus members, which is ultimate membership pretty much, you get a new mythical epic, buddies, and pet gear and 720 Magicoin. And then ultra members get pet gear, which you already get pet gear, mounts, which no you don't, you already get that for being a core member. New mythics, this isn't a mythical epic by the way, and you can already get it with plus membership. More buddies, they're the exact same buddies as plus members, and even more currencies. No, all you get is an extra 880 Magicoin, which is not a lot. It is a lot, but you're never actually going to need that much Magicoin, so Ultra membership's kind of a waste of money. There is also one other thing that it does, and it does like give you membership for Prodigy English, but who cares? There was already an ultimate membership bundle that was probably cheaper, that was pretty much just the exact same as Ultra membership. So yeah, I think the treasure track is pretty cool. I think Ultra membership, you don't need it. It's not going to be anything that you really need to buy unless you for some reason want 880 Magicoin, but that's not really needed. So that's going to go ahead and end up the video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.